A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cookie. Cookie. D is for daddy. Daddy. E is for elbow. Elbow.
F is for fish. Fish. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for hen. Hen. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nose. Nose. O is for orange. Orange. P is for peacock. Peacock. Q is for quiet. Quiet. R is for red. Red. S is for sun. Sun. T is for train. Train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. W is for watch. Watch. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching Preschool Champs. Subscribe for kids' educational videos.